Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I am camping out in the girls' room. They are on Thanksgiving break, and I'm really sitting here, first of all, thinking to myself, what the heck is Thanksgiving break, right? Did you guys ever used to get an entire week off for Thanksgiving? I can remember when I was in school, we literally went to school like until the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So I don't know what this whole week is about. They always get a week off. But you guys know I am always complaining about how the girls' room is always a hot mess. And today I decided that I was not going to be the one to clean it because I have other stuff to clean up. So the girls decided that they were going to clean their room and they wanted to film. And so we have a cleaning video for you, and the girls are taking it away today, you guys. They're cleaning up their little junky room. I wish that it went by this fast, like in real life. But anyways, it is what it is. So without further ado, we can go ahead and jump right into today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoy this little video that the girls have put together for you. And yeah, I hope everybody is doing good, and I will see you guys when the video is over.
So this is what our room looked like before. It was very messy. Most of the stuff was Mommy's on the floor.
Mine? I'm pretty sure she meant to say Samaya's.
The beds weren't made, the desks and dressers weren't fixed. My bed was definitely not made. My bed's always a mess. The table wasn't done. The floor had a whole bunch of blankets, skateboards, and our closet was an even bigger mess. Mommy told us to clean, so let's get started. Oh, just kidding. Let's get started.
Not trying to complicate none of this. So let me just come tell you how I feel. Okay, I'm just looking for some balance and some trust. I'm just looking for some mutual love, but all I get is unrequited. Why my world always on fire, never chilly. I used to hate the serious, I used to be so silly, but I'm not a kid no more. No, I'm not a kid, but I guess it's what we always said. Yeah, I guess that's what we always said. Hey, and we can get lost in an offbeat rhythm. Feel the way that you're moving, and I think that I get it, and I think that I will till the sun comes up. When the sun go down, we gon' get in touch. Cause I don't even know, I don't know why. All your love I'm trying to find. I'm so lost in you and all that you do. Hey, and here we go. I never really know why. I'm just trying to take it slow, see where it goes, cause you know.
Okay, so they totally cracked me up. Their definition of clean and my definition of clean are probably two different definitions of clean, but nonetheless, the room is clean and I wasn't the one that had to do it. Score. Anyways, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it. That is one way that you can support this channel. Feel free to take a look around at any of our other videos. There's so many of them on this channel, and if you like what you see, I would love to welcome you to our growing fam. You can hit that subscribe button. Other than that, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I've got to start getting videos put together for Youcember, which is coming up in December. If you're not sure what Youcember is, you guys, it is where every single day for the month of December a video goes live. 12 days out of that is the 12 days of Cleanmas. We will be cleaning up our homes and getting everything in order, not just for the holidays but also for the new year. And the rest of that is all about you and me hanging out and getting our shit together before the new year. So I really look forward to getting those videos pumped out for you guys. Other than that, I gotta go. I will see you guys in the next video.